IRMO AI video photo generator app. So here is the app, and you can create viral AI videos instantly. You can create hugging video, you can create AI kissing video, inflation effect, cake or real, AI headshot. So quite a cool app. Recently it's getting in the top charts in graphics and design. So here you can see the app, and this app studio seems they built quite few amazing apps. And then you can just open it up, and here's the app, and then yeah, you can just see how it looks like, and then you can just get started. What you want to create: kissing, bring to life, hugging, poke, peel. So then you can just upload a first person, second person, and then select a sample photo, for example, and then create it, and then see the result, and then you need to upgrade. So yearly it's $80, weekly $7, and then you just see all of the AI Studio presets. Unfortunately, you need to upgrade right away. So yeah, there is no free version, but yeah, kind of this is the app. It has quite a good model. Again, you can always upgrade for a week, $7 per week. There is no free trial, unfortunately, and that's what it is.